Freshdesk versus Help Scout, which is the best help desk software. That's what we're diving into today, and if you're looking for the right software to manage customer support, you're going to want to stick around. These two tools are among the most popular in the market, but which one is best for your needs? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture. Let's start with Freshdesk. One of its strongest points is the sheer range of features it offers right out of the gate. From ticketing and automation to knowledge base management and multi-channel support, Freshdesk really covers a lot of ground. It's great if you're a growing company that needs to scale. But here's the thing, while it offers tons of features, that doesn't mean it's always user-friendly. The interface can be overwhelming for new users, especially when you're trying to navigate all the options it offers. Next, let's talk about Help Scout. Help Scout is a little more streamlined and user-friendly compared to Freshdesk. It's designed with simplicity in mind, which means you can get started quickly. Its inbox-style design is easy for agents to navigate, and it feels more like an email client than a traditional help desk. If you value simplicity over all the bells and whistles, Help Scout could be a better fit. But here's where it falls short. It lacks some of the advanced features that Freshdesk provides. For instance, automation and reporting options are more limited. The third thing to consider is their pricing structures. Freshdesk has a free plan and several paid tiers, making it accessible for small businesses to large enterprises. But as you scale, the costs can add up quickly, especially if you need to unlock features like advanced automation. Help Scout, on the other hand, doesn't offer a free plan, but its pricing is more straightforward. However, once you start adding users and features, it can get pretty pricey too. Now, let's talk about integrations. Freshdesk has a huge list of integrations with other tools and apps, which is perfect for businesses that rely on multiple platforms. But here's the catch, integrating with other tools can sometimes be clunky and time-consuming. Help Scout also offers integrations, but not as many as Freshdesk. It integrates well with popular tools, but if you're using something more niche, you might hit a wall. The fifth thing to consider is the customer support itself. Both tools offer solid support, but Freshdesk support is often seen as more comprehensive, with 24/7 options and a larger knowledge base. Help Scout's support is reliable, but you won't always get the same level of access as with Freshdesk, especially if you're on the lower tier plans. Finally, both Freshdesk and Help Scout are solid options for help desk software. Freshdesk has the features, but sometimes sacrifices ease of use. Help Scout keeps things simple, but at the cost of fewer features. But after trying both myself, I've found that there's a better alternative if your goal is to get a great help desk experience without the hassle of overwhelming features or limits on support. If you want a truly exceptional experience and need something that balances ease of use, features, and pricing, then I'd recommend checking out the free trial of the software in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Give it a try and see for yourself.